Hello and welcome back to the Joyful Soul Creates. Charlotte here with the unboxing for the Love from Lizi October card kit. I'm no longer on the Love from Lizi design team, so I am a subscriber. Like many of you watching these videos are probably subscribers as well, which means I don't get my kits as early as I used to. So I just decided I would make this video as soon as I got the kit anyway, so that anyone who wants to see what's in the kit still or see my take on it can do so. This kit has a 12x12 bag and the embellishment bag, and as always I'm starting with the larger bag, and I will begin by showing the cardstock. We have 5 sheets of 8.5x11 cardstock, which is perfect for making your A2 card bases, and this cardstock is in chocolate brown, burgundy red, peach, sky blue and vanilla. We then have 4 specialty cardstocks, and these are of a size again that you could turn them into an A2 card base if you wanted to. So we have one in gold mirror, and then we have 3 pearlescent pieces. One is antique gold, then we have chocolate brown, and the final one is burnt orange. They're all very pretty colours, and as I said, you could use them for your card bases if you wanted, or you could just use them as papers for matting or for die cutting with the dies, which I'll show later. Next we have some 12x12 cut apart sheets, and there are 4 different sheets. The first one has 9 designs on the sheet, and they are 4x4 inch designs. The second sheet has 12 designs of 4x3 inches. And all these 12x12 sheets are double-sided, so they have a pattern on the back side, and if you don't like the image on the cut apart, you could use it for the pattern paper instead. Next we have one with 6 cut aparts, and these are 4x6 inches. And all these cut aparts you have ones with sentiments, you have ones with images, and these can be a great starting point for your card to make a very quick and easy card. You can, especially with these biggest ones, you could even use them as your card front and almost leave it as is if you want without doing anything else. So then the final sheet is 6x4, so it's the same size as the one before but in a different orientation, and this one has striped pattern on the back. There are also some patterned papers, and these coordinate with the 12x12 papers and also the ephemera, which will come later. I will show those a bit later. So these have stripes, and you can see they match one of the cut aparts there, and on the back triangles. So these are all 6x6 papers, and they're all double-sided. The colours coordinate with all the other colours in the kit, and they're all kind of autumnal imagery, and some of the patterns have writing through them, like a subtle pattern of writing. So there's lots of florals and stripes, there's some plaid or tartan, acorns and leaves. Lots of very nice patterns, and being double-sided, if you don't like one pattern you can just flip it over and use the other. And there is one piece which Lizi particularly liked, so she has put in 2 of that one so that you could use either side if you want. Then there are the peel-offs, and this month we have copper mirror peel-offs. So they're very shiny, coordinate beautifully with the kit. We have an embossing folder, which is a large embossing folder, approximately 5x7 inches, and it has a kind of knit pattern to it, so like a sweater or jumper pattern. The stamp set this month is called Hello Autumn, which is what the card kit is called, and it mostly has sentiments, a variety of autumnal and kind of supporting sentiments like warm wishes. It does have a few images like a tea or coffee mug. There's a pumpkin and an umbrella as well. Okay, so then I'm going to move on to the embellishment bag. There's this beautiful ribbon, 1 meter of crushed silk in a kind of purpley colour. There are also a variety of other ribbons, but my kit was missing the ribbon bundle. I contacted Lizi about it this morning, and within an hour she'd replied very apologetic and said she will get it sent to me as soon as possible. So just be aware that there are some other ribbons you would be getting in your kit, as well as some twine. Okay, then we have the Sequin mix, which is also called Hello Autumn, and again coordinates beautifully with the kit, the papers and such. And then we will move on to the more natural elements and kind of unusual elements. We have 6 leaves that are cut from bark. They have very interesting texture, and each one of them is going to be very unique because they are cut from real bark. We also have 6 little wood slices, and they are, or at least mine, seem to be smooth on one side and then rougher on the other side. And of course, because these are natural, the sizes vary as well. Next we have skeleton leaves, and I really like skeleton leaves. I think they're really pretty. We have 6 of them, and they're all coloured, so there are 2 silver, 2 gold and 2 copper. Then there's some iridescent gems, and these are kind of very neutral in colour, which helps them fit in with any part of the kit or any other project you'd like to put them on, for that matter. And here are the ephemera pieces that I mentioned earlier, and there's loads of these. I won't show all of them, but there are a few different with sentiments on them. There's some with images, there's some florals, and there's a wreath, there's mushrooms, all sorts of different things, lots and lots of pieces. Some of them are more geared towards journaling, but you could bring them into your cards in different ways if you would like. Then we have the dies. There are 2 dies this time, and they are leaves, 2 different styles of leaves, and they cut around the outside edge, and they also have lines in the inner area to emboss the veins of the leaves. And of course we have Nouveau Drops in the kit, and these ones are perfect for autumn because they are ripened pumpkin. As always, I swatched my Nouveau Drops onto the lid so I can easily see what colour they are when I'm trying to decide which Nouveau Drops to use. So that completes my unboxing of the kit. I'm not going to be doing a 10 cards 1 kit video because I've decided to change how I approach kits. So I will have a couple of different videos for different technique ideas using the kit. So I already have one made, which I hope will be uploaded tomorrow if you'd like to see that. If you haven't yet bought this kit, it is still in stock, and actually with it being World Card Making Day today, if you're watching this when it goes live, which is October 6th, for World Card Making Day, Lizi has a sale on in her store. Everything in the shop is 10% off, and that includes the card kit. So if you're still wanting to get the card kit, you can go and grab one now whilst they're still in stock. There's just a few left, and you will save 10% on your order. I do have links below to where you can find the kit, and any of the items that are available individually I will link to as well. And those are affiliate links, so if you shop with those you will be helping support my channel and my blog. So thank you in advance for shopping with those. I very much appreciate the support. I hope you will stop back to see what I make with this kit. You can hit the subscribe button and the notification button to make sure you will be alerted when I post those videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!